Hey guys, last couple hours until I cut my hair. So I did a video earlier about how to do things to put it up really quickly and simply, but I don't know that you got a good sense of it, so I want to do another quick one. Hairpin, the pins, the bobby pins, the larger ones like ballet bun bobby pins, and a simple hair tie. So that's what I'm going to show you today. Hopefully it's close enough that you can see. I'm going to turn around, but I know my hair is dark, so sometimes it's hard to see, and that was part of the problem with the last one. So I kind of fluff my hair like you saw me do, and then I kind of at the nape of the neck, and I start twisting it. And it can be kind of a loose twist, and you see I'm kind of shaking it to let the hair fall where it needs to fall. And it can be really loose, and you can do it like this, and then put the things in and your hair kind of flops wherever it needs to flop. Or you can take and tuck the hair under. I'm trying to switch in different ways because that's what I found with the other video, is it seemed like it was kind of hard to show you because my arm kept blocking it. But I can't really see what I'm showing you and not showing you when I'm videoing. So the bobby pins, you hopefully can see this. You go outwards, hopefully you can see, and then you go inwards. You know, one of the things I find that if I have the bobby pins against my scalp, there you go, then it can give me a headache, but you don't need it to be up against the scalp. So you can see you can have a little fluff on the hair, or not. Going to turn because, like I said, last video was kind of blocking, so I tried to get a little closer. That's with one bobby pin, like seriously folks. And my hair is freshly clean and conditioned. And you see even without the bobby pin it stays put because I've tucked it. Oh, I'm sorry, that was 2 bobby pins. I lied! Okay, 2 bobby pins. So 2 bobby pins that stayed up. It's freshly clean. I did have some hairspray in it, but not much. So that's one way. Second way, let me turn so you can see it. Okay, let me do this way. So once again, same concept. You go ahead and fluff it, you twist it, you can tuck it. Okay, tucking and kind of moving around while I'm tucking, so hopefully you can see what I'm talking about. Do the hokey pokey and you do a little turnaround. Alright, and then once you feel like you've got it tucked the way you want it tucked, you take the pen. Alright. Now, there's tons of ways of doing it. You feel whatever's comfortable for you. But I tend to like to get the, let's see, the pen, or the stick, like this, work it in. Okay, pull it back. I'm thinking the arms are out of the way. And then I kind of weave it through the hair downwards, okay? And then that way you've got it kind of stuck. It's not as tight as it could be, but it looks pretty. So if right in this area here it's not as tight as you'd like it, you can take this bobby pin here, pull it this way, grab the hair in the scalp, do it this way, and that's going to help it stay in put better. Same thing with up here. If it feels a little loose but you like the way it looks, you take the pin up like this, grab the hair, bring it over and push it in. If you really are going to be active and you want it to be even tighter, see where the pin is going? Into the scalp and the hair and back. Literally, it ain't moving, okay? You can do all kinds of things at the top. You can fluff, you can pin it, you can do bangs up, bangs down. This is the Synergens hairspray, which I am in love with. I'm not a big fan of hairsprays, but let's see if I can get you to focus here. But this hairspray is amazing. This is the travel size one, and it smells delicious, it holds really well, and it makes the hair look good. So that is really all you need to do. Those are 2 quick and simple ways of putting your hair up. And I think maybe I'll leave this video at that to keep it short, and then I'll give you another video on the hair bun thingy. And yeah, we can talk about what the hair bun thingy is later. This is all the information. If you want to ask me any questions, my website is there to see what we have to carry with Synergens hair care products or anything else. Got great earrings, and the email address if you have any questions or want to email me. Alright guys, Kimberly Plaza Studio. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back in a minute with another one. All right, take care.